This is learning objective, learning about how to check the quality of a translation product in the aspect of accuracy, acceptability, and readability, proposed by Nababan in 2013. So, in this case, we would like to how to check the translation quality assessment from Nababan, according to Nababan. After the translators translate some documents or paragraph or novel, so we should concern about need to get a proofreader or editor. A proofreader will check the exactness of the translation in the document. For example, like spelling, accentuation, capitalization, and so on. So it means that after the translators have the translation, and there is someone or editor, and the second one using quality analysis software. So there are two kinds, from the human like editor and one from the software. It's used for confirming to the quality of the translation. How to check the quality assessment? So the translation would be worthy if there is a quality assessment. So it's performed by randomly selecting one or more passages or the translation, adding up error of various kinds, and expressing the result of the numerical and alphabetic score or the descriptive ranking. So in here, to make the translation worthy or have a quality assessment, so we would like to talk about the values here.